Hello, welcome to another video. This time I went to $1.25 tree. I don't care what you all want to say, but I'm getting ready for Valentine's Day. Yes, I am. Yes, ma'am. I'm getting ready for Valentine's Day 2023. Once I see these in the stores, I'm like, girl, you better get them while you can. So let's start off with these. When I saw these, I was like, oh, these are pretty. The packaging and it smells amazing. This is from the brand Bolero. I have the eye cream, the facial cream, the fragrance mist, the face toner, the face wash, and the hand wash. And this is in the scent chamomile cucumber. This is the hand wash. This is in the rose or the hibiscus rose. Let me come over here. I also have it here in the facial wash. I also have it in the face cream. Let me get these. And I also have it, I also have it in the eye cream. Don't sleep on $1.25 tree, guys. I'm telling you, don't sleep on it. Here you have the Crystal Waters brand. This is bath salt. This one is Good Night. Lavender, sandalwood scented bath salts. I have 4 of these. Here we have the Sunshine. This is a clean cotton scent. I also have 4 of those. This is the Harmony, Roman chamomile scented bath salt. So I guess they all have their own little name. This is Good Night. This is Sunshine. This is Harmony. And this is Embrace. This is Rose and Husk scented. You all should know about these St. Ives products. That's in the $1.25 tree. This is Zinc. Give me 1 second, guys. Okay, this is Zinc. This is Yas. And this is Om. Okay, whatever that is. Yeah, that one. I went into a store called Roses. If you have a store beside you that called Roses, these in Roses are $2 and change. I think $2.79. And I'm getting these for $1.20, for $1.29, 25. Hell yes. Also, these Crystal Waters hand cream. This is a peach. Oh, my hands are dry. Oh my God. Ooh, child, look at them hands. Damn. Okay. Hey, it's real life. I just did some dishes and I haven't creamed my hands. Okay. This Crystal Waters. This is a peach island scented. I have this one. This one is cherry blossom scented. This one is strawberry crush scented. This is all they had, guys, or else I would have cleaned the shelf. This is wild rose scented, and believe you me, they all smell good. And I think I showed you guys these facial cream. I showed you guys this. Then they have these bath bombs or bath fizzers. Let me tell you about this body mist. They had only 3 and I took all 3. This smell freaking amazing. It smells very good. I have seen this one there before. This is the thicker fuller here. I don't know what brand that is. Celluplex pure plant extracts. Don't sleep on Dollar Tree, I tell you. Those smell good. Then they have this soothing oatmeal bath treatment. 100% natural colloidal oatmeal compared to Aveeno active ingredients. Effective relief of itches and rashes due to poison ivy, oak and sumac, eczema, insect bites, sunburn, and it's fragrance free. You have 3 single use packets in here. Then okay, I think I've shown you guys something like this before that I got from the $1.25 tree. Also, I saw these. You know, these are straight up Valentine's Day. This says love with a bear. Here it says Valentine, I can't bear to be without you. Whatever they had on that, I took it. What else? They have this one that have like a cupcake. I have, I think, 4 of those. They have this one that says, I'm on my way to steal your heart. I have 6 of those. This is like a donut. I have, let me see, 5 of those. Whatever they had, that's what I took. This one that says XOXO, I have 2 of those. Here's another one. This one that says love you, mean it. I have three of these. And these, it's like, what's this, a llama? Be mine. I have 5 of these. And I saw this one that says too much Monday, not enough coffee. I just love the colors that's on it. It's like a plaque where you could just set it up like a picture frame. I think I'm going to go back and get some of these because these colors go well together. Because let me show you something. Look at this. Beside the green, beside the blue, beside the pink. They all could go in the same thing and the colors come together. Let me just get up and show you guys an overview of the items. Yeah, but if you find this body mist in $1.25 tree, just spray it on your hand. I don't know how long it will last, but it smells amazing. And what I'm looking at, look at this. If you get a set, let me put it together. If you get this set, somebody give you this set, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, a 7-piece set, and say you put a loafer sponge in this, a white or a green loafer sponge, and if you put, say, a Bath and Body Works candle or a Bath and Body Works body spray and a Bath and Body Works body cream or hand lotion, tell me this is not a beautiful gift. You have it in a nice container, and then you put your cellophane wrap on it, and then you put your nice bow on it. Come on, guys, tell me this is not looking good. I know it is. Okay, with that being said, I have a few items that I got from a store called Roses, so I'll just show it to you guys. I went to a store called Roses. I saw these on the shelf. It says love. Everyday low price $1.29. These are actually 50 cents. These are actually 50 cents. I have several of these. They have this one that says Huggies and Kisses, and it's on that little whatever you call that thing. Priced at $1.29. These were also 50 cents. I have several of those too. And this one that says Be Mine, 50 cents. I also got several of those. Now this one, it says You Are My Everything with that checkered heart. These were normally $1.79. These were ringing up 50 cents. And I have several of those. This that says Always My Mother, Forever My Friend. This actually, when I asked her to scan it, these were ringing up 50 cents. There was no price on it. I guess because Mother's Day, that's why these were 50 cents. As I said, I got several of those. This one says Always My Mother, Forever My Friend. It's a plaque with that little string. This was also 50 cents. What was the regular price? I don't know. I think these were normally $1. And I have this one that says, Mom, you are the best. Same concept with this. Let me show you guys the barcode just in case you're at Roses and you want to check it. That's the barcode. Let me show you these barcode also. I don't know if every Roses have it like this, but I know the one that's near me, that's what it's sold for. Let me show you the barcode on this one. And here's the barcode on the other one. Yeah. So these are some of the few items that I picked up today. As I said, I'm getting ready for all the holidays. So as soon as I go to $1.25 tree and I see anything, I'm going to buy it, put them into a tote, label the tote so that when the time comes, I know exactly where to find every single item. With that being said, guys, if you're on a hunt to get these things, don't as I said, do not sleep on $1.25 tree. Trust me. Because once I saw these Valentine's Day things at $1.25 tree, I'm like, are these left over from February? Or are this can never be what's coming up for 2023. Because they have to cross over Christmas and all of that to reach to Valentine's Day. But once I saw these, I grabbed them. I know every year $1.25 tree come with something different, but I like these. And for $1.25, once you put this into a gift basket with all your other stuff, you could use this just as a, what should I say, as a brace when you put your items, so your items could lay on this, or you could put this at the front of your basket, however you do it. But for $1.25, this is gorgeous. So with that being said, I hope you guys give this video a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. And I hope you guys will hit that notification bell so every time I upload a video, you will be notified. With that being said, guys, take care and I'll catch you in another video. Bye.